Transitioning from a journeyman to a contractor involves navigating the licensing process. To effectively prepare for the contractor licensing exam, consider several avenues. Firstly, local trade schools and community colleges often provide exam preparation courses specifically tailored to contractor licensing exams. Check with local institutions to inquire about program offerings and eligibility requirements. Secondly, licensing boards in some states offer exam preparation materials or endorse approved courses. Contact the relevant licensing board for specific information pertaining to your jurisdiction. Thirdly, numerous online providers offer exam preparation classes for various contractor license exams. Prioritize courses from reputable providers that align with the exam requirements in your specific area. Fourthly, industry organizations such as the Associated General Contractors of America, abbreviated as AGC, or the National Association of Home Builders, abbreviated as NAHB, frequently offer exam preparation materials or workshops. Specifically, AGC offers a comprehensive online course that prepares individuals for the construction management and general contractor exams. Builder Exam Prep provides exam preparation courses for various contractor licensing exams across several states. Kaplan Test Prep provides both online and in-person exam preparation courses for the California Contractor's License Exam and other state exams. In addition to formal courses, consider hiring a private tutor specializing in preparing candidates for contractor licensing exams. Seek out tutors with experience and a proven track record of helping candidates successfully pass the exam. Beyond these resources, there are several steps to take in your exam preparation. Firstly, thoroughly study the exam blueprint. This involves determining the specific topics and content covered on the exam. Secondly, utilize practice exams to familiarize yourself with the exam format and question types. Thirdly, gain hands-on experience, as practical experience will significantly enhance your comprehension and preparedness. Fourthly, seek support by joining study groups or connecting with other candidates also preparing for the exam. Finally, it is critical to stay up to date by using the latest exam materials and information sourced from official sources.